In the realm of the spirit, you have power. In the realm of the spirit, you have dominion. You are not just an ordinary man. Salvation has made you a man of authority. So Jesus was speaking as someone under authority. He said he didn't talk like the Pharisees. He didn't speak like the scribes. He spoke as someone that had authority. If you are not conscious of that authority, you won't be able to exercise it. You must understand that not only were you redeemed to become a king, you have been redeemed to become a king with power. So if the king does not exercise that power, the power is useless. You must know you have power. You must know. He said, he that is in honor and does not know it is like a beast that perisheth. You are disadvantaged when you don't exercise the authority that is yours in Christ.